On this episode of Monster Exteriors Makeover, we're headed to Cartersville, Georgia for a gas station remodel. Won't believe.
See, these guys are dropping off some materials. Their own guys here. Finishing up our demo. Alright guys, we are out on a job in Cartersville, Georgia, where we're going to replace the exterior sheathing and siding on this gas station, and also the insulation. Water has gotten back behind the sheathing and created a big mess that got away from the owners over many years. And when we install the new, it'll be board and batten, hardy, with new 7-inch commercial gutters. So these guys are working on half the building right now. We're going to be using the zip system for the sheathing and get all of this put back together, and then we're going to put a new TPO roof on the entire building. The wall is 113 feet long and 14 feet high, so stay tuned and follow along on this one. All right, we're back. Now we are removing this old roof. It's an asphalt base roof. You can see these guys have already started on it. They're gonna throw everything down in that dumpster right there. So stay tuned to the next clip. After we get all this pulled off and thrown into the dumpster, we're going to be putting in new TPO roofing and then guttering, and this job will be complete. You can see we got a good start. They've only been out here for a few hours, and we've got no rock down below, which is really good. Stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, we are back. You can see we're almost done encapsulating this wall and this gas station. You'll get a little bit more insulation right there, but we'll have that done. Zip board is in. Down there, you can see they've got the hardy started. So hardy board is going up. We're gonna go a batch strip every 2 feet, which we'll touch on the next clip. But we got our pressure treated purlins over underneath our zip board, our 3/8 hardy sheets. Got a beauty band at the bottom right there, as you can see. We're getting this one done, so stay tuned to the next clip. As we're back, and you can see that's the old roof. And that's the last little part of the old roof. So they've got all of it peeled off. Walls look good here. No rot. Foam's in good shape. And they've got half the roof down. So TPO's in place on half, but they still have to seal the units and finish welding all the seams. As you can see, got some good progress here, and welds to be done overall. About halfway done. Stay tuned. All right, we're back, and you can see the board and batten hardy is up. We've got the beauty band in place there. Got a cap band up above, and it is all the way done. All right, guys, we're back. They have gotten almost all of the TPO down. They still have to do the purpose wall here, as you can see, but it's pretty much all down for the most part. The coping that goes on top is on its way, and so you can see it's still a little messy. There's still cut-ins that have to be done for the air conditioning system, but for the most part it's down. And there's your update. Stay tuned to the next one. We'll be all finished with the roof. Guys, we are back. We are putting on gutters. 7-inch, almost matches perfectly. These guys are finishing up. You can see how long these runs are right here. 35 feet long. Stay tuned to our final walkthrough. All right, we're back. This is a final walkthrough. Got these drain pipes now all in place on the brand new TPO roofing. As you can see, they just went in, the drain. This drain goes all the way into the gutter. Everything's working good. And you've got this drain all going into the brand new gutter. And you can see this is how we ended the gutter. All the way down, it's a whole bunch of drains, a whole bunch of units, a whole bunch of square feet. I'll show you the gutters on the down, and this one's be a wrap. Here it is, guys. Wall's done. Gutters are in. Roof is done. Stay tuned to the next one. It's gonna be a big one.